Hi, Dr. Ken Pinnell here, coming to you from Pinnell Chiropractic, your Cranberry Township, North Pittsburgh Chiropractor. Today I'd like to go over an exercise that we recommend to our patients that are looking to strengthen their core, and that's been kind of a buzzword in the healthcare community the last 10 years or so, the importance of strengthening the core to help with lower back pain. And a lot of people think of core strengthening as primarily doing sit-ups or crunches to strengthen what are called the rectus abdominis muscles. Everybody wants to try to get those six-pack abs, but really to strengthen the core, which encompasses all of the primary muscle groups of the trunk, you need to strengthen not only the rectus abdominis muscles, but you also need to strengthen what are called the internal and external obliques that run along the sides. Those muscles are there to laterally flex the spine and to rotate. But then there's also what are called the back extensors for bending backwards, muscles like the erector spinae or quadratus lumborum. And one of the challenges that we face with our patients is encouraging them to find time to do those. And to do all of those exercises, it can be time consuming, sometimes requires specialized equipment. You need to get down on the floor. So it can be a challenge. We're all busy to find time during the day to do those exercises. So this exercise I'm going to go over tonight is one very simple exercise. If you had to pick one exercise that was going to really work all of the core, this would be it. And it's called abdominal hollowing. And it isolates two muscle groups that some of the traditional core strengthening exercises don't really target. And the one muscle group is called the transverse abdominis muscle. It's found on the inside of the abdominal cavity, really down deep, where some of the traditional exercises get more of the external or outside muscles. And the other muscle group that this really helps to isolate is called the multifidus. It's one of the deep back extensors, and those two muscles are really, really important in helping to strengthen the core. So to accomplish that, it's very simple, and you can do this exercise standing up, you can do it sitting down, you can do it lying down. So you're sitting in your car at a red light or standing in line at the bank, you can do these exercises just about any time and in any position. But you want to get the sensation of pulling the belly button in and then also up. You want to raise the diaphragm. And one of the mistakes I see patients when I'm trying to demonstrate this exercise is when they do that, they want to lift the shoulders. You really want to keep the shoulders steady, and you want to just get that sensation that you're sucking in that belly button and then scooping up. And if you do that properly, and you'll know you're doing it right when you'll feel that here, you'll also feel it in the sides, but you'll really feel it back here when you fire that multifidus muscle. So what you want to do is you want to pull in and up, and you want to try to hold that for about 5 seconds, and try to do that about 10 or 12 repetitions. Pull in, up, hold for about 5 seconds or so, and then that last repetition, really try to hold that as long as you can. Now, granted, it goes without saying that if you're doing these and you start to feel pain, stop. We never want exercise to replace proper medical treatment or advice. So if you question whether or not you're ready to do any type of exercise, consult with your family doctor, your chiropractor, to make sure it's okay to do those. But if you do those on a regular basis, you'll really find that you help to strengthen that core, and can really, in doing that, help to relieve some of the aches and pains that a lot of people experience. So I hope you found help with this demonstration here tonight. Feel free to leave a comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook for more videos like these. If you'd like to get more information about our office, you can visit our website, which is www.pinnellcc.com. Until we speak again, I'm Dr. Ken Pinnell, your Cranberry Township, North Pittsburgh Chiropractor. Talk to you soon.